For more than 60 years, space systems have largely followed the same model: collect data, transmit data, wait for instructions. But space is entering a new era, an era where spacecraft don't simply collect and transmit raw information, they think. Today's missions demand something fundamentally different. Defense systems require real-time decisions. Satellites must track and characterize activity in orbit. Lunar missions operate far beyond continuous human oversight, and future spacecraft must increasingly act autonomously. The common requirement is clear: advanced compute at the edge. The microprocessor transformed computing. The GPU transformed artificial intelligence. And now, advanced onboard compute is transforming space. The future will belong to intelligent spacecraft capable of processing information, running AI, and making decisions right where the data is created. Whether the mission is geointelligence, space domain awareness, missile defense, lunar exploration, autonomous spacecraft, or deep space operations, the requirement remains the same. Spacecraft must think for themselves, and that requires compute. Historically, space systems were designed to move data, but bandwidth is limited, latency matters, and human intervention doesn't scale. Autonomous microcontrollers with built-in silicon protection from radiation strikes is essential. The future requiring faster data, radiation-protected chips, and lower costs has arrived at the space edge. NOVI has spent years building the compute foundation for intelligent space. NOVI's onboard computers have achieved TRL-9 and are operating in orbit today, including on NOVI's own space systems and satellites, transforming raw sensor data into actionable intelligence in real time. And embedded VORAGO microcontrollers with hard SIL technology virtually eliminate software errors or hardware failures. NOVI Space is actively supporting defense missions, commercial deployments, and advanced space programs across LEO, GEO, and lunar environments. As demand for intelligent spacecraft accelerates, customers increasingly rely on NOVI to provide the compute layer that makes these missions possible, and that also increases the demand for radiation-hardened semiconductor components. Just as generative AI allows users to query digital information through natural language, geointelligence will allow users to query the physical world and receive real-time answers from space. This is one example of what becomes possible when intelligence operates at the space edge. The future of space will not be defined by satellites alone. It will be defined by what those satellites can understand, decide, and accomplish. Smart space starts with compute. NOVI is building the foundation that enables it.